ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́lọ́run bá tóbi.
Allahu akbar.
ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́lọ́run bá tóbi.
Allahu akbar.
Máa sọ Yorùbá, máa tún sọ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, so máa sọ méjì papọ̀ ni. Mo kí bàbá wa Ìmọ́tọ́lá. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́lọ́run bá tóbi lórí fún bàbá wa Ìmọ́tọ́lá.
Damallahu hayatahu.
A máa rí pẹ́sà, a máa rí gbánẹ́sà. Ó kí àfáà wa Mubarak náà, a máa rí bá gbogbo iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tẹ̀ ń ṣe, Ọlọ́run máa fi púpọ̀ rọ́pò. Kí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, àwọn tí mo mọ̀, àwọn tí mo mọ̀, àwọn àfáà àgbà, àfáà kékeré. Okay. I'm here to talk about Al-Mubarak Islamic Foundation. Basically, we are a group that want to reach out to so many people. But in reaching out to so many people, we can't do it alone. We need money. You understand? So I will just read some points. It's an Islamic foundation which is more or less like a charity organization. So charity is an organization set up to provide help and raise money for those in need. Àwọn tá a máa ṣàánú àwọn ẹni tí ó ní. Ọlọ́run bá tó dá wa, ó fún àwọn èèyàn kan ju àwọn èèyàn kan lọ. Díẹ̀ yìí ni pé ìwọ tọ́lọ́run bá fún ju ẹnìkan lọ, o gbọ́dọ̀ fi yọ onítọ̀hún. O gbọ́dọ̀ máa tọwọ́ bá pò nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè máa fún àwọn ẹni tí ó ní. Voluntary giving of help, typically in form of money and any other in need. Bí ṣe sọ, kò ń ṣe owó nìkan la lè fúnyàn. Aṣọ wà ń bẹ̀, oúnjẹ wà ń bẹ̀. Ìgbà míì ká tẹ̀ gba èèyàn nímọ̀ràn, ìyẹn náà pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí Islamic Foundation wọn máa ń ṣe. A ti ń ṣe tipẹ́ o, kò ṣe pa àṣẹfẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ o, but a kàn fi àsìkò yìí fi pe everybody pé káwọn náà máa ṣe táwọn náà bá lè tó lè ṣe ń bẹ̀. Charity is a non-profit making organization, not-for-profit organization, voluntary organization and charitable institution. Charity provides practical helps from homeless people. Ẹ rí pé ní orílẹ̀-èdè tá a wà yìí sí, mi ò mọ ìjọ tí ìkọ̀kọ̀lù wa ti lọ sí homeless home. Àwọn ọmọ tí ò ní ìyá tí ò ní bàbá. Ìjọba náà ń ṣe, but a lè dá ọgbẹ̀ dé ìjọba. Àánú púpọ̀ máa ṣe ìta lè ṣe ń bẹ̀. The care of the poor must not be left to the private charity alone. A gbọ́dọ̀ dá ọgbẹ̀ dé ìjọba, a gbọ́dọ̀ dá ọgbẹ̀ pé lágbájá yẹn lówó jù mí lọ. Ìtúwọ́ náà bá lè ṣe, kò tọwọ́ bá pò, kò ṣe. So tabatu sọ charity as well can be aid, welfare, relief, funding, handouts, gifts, presents, donation, contribution, grants, bursaries, humanity, scholarship, generosity, patronage, benevolence, and philanthropy. Charity is an essential and therefore meant to be done for public benefit, relief to provide assistance to people at time of need in any part of the world, especially those who are victims of war, natural disaster, catastrophe, hunger, disease, poverty, often by supplying them food, shelter, medical aids and money. A lè lọ sílé ìwòsàn, àwọn èèyàn kan wà ń bẹ̀, wọ́n lówó tó máa sọ fún dókítà àbí wọ́n lówó tó máa sọ fún nurse tó máa treat wọ́n bẹ̀. Jọ́tà náà bá ráyè, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fàkókò yẹn lẹ̀, ká máa lọ sílé ìwòsàn. Ó ní pé tá a bá lọ ilé ìwòsàn, a máa gbọ́lọ́run gbà tóbi. Ẹ jẹ́ àgbọ́lọ́run gbà tóbi fún gbogbo àtàwọn àmì báyìí. Okay, 2020 tó kọjá. ta ló mọ̀ pé corona máa gba ogbó àgbáyé àwa tí corona tó wà láyé yìí sì yan mélòó yan àlèmọ èèyàn tó ti kú tí corona ti pa gbogbo aláwa níbà ṣáà lórí méjì ni lórí méjì. ok kí ni ìdí tí a gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe àánú tá à ń sọ yìí. The more we give, the happier we feel. Voluntarily increases self-confidence. You are doing good for others and the community. The role as a volunteer can also give you a sense of pride and identity. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ á wo nǹkan tí Kùránì sọ fún wa ń pa ká máa ṣàánú fún yàn. Charity is mentioned dozens of times in the Quran. Islam calls upon its followers to reach out with open hands and give in charity as a way of life. In the Holy Quran, charity is often mentioned along with prayer as one of the factors that identify the true believer. In addition, the Quran frequently uses the word regular charity. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé ká máa ṣàánú déédéé, kò ń ṣe pé o máa ṣe lọ́sẹ̀ yìí, ò ní ṣe nígbà míì. Bí àfáà wa Imam wa Lukman tó ṣe wàásù fún wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀ níbi ká máa generosity. He spoke well about generosity. That we need to, you shouldn't be doing Ramadan period. That's when you should give alms. We should always try to give alms from time to time. In addition, the Quran, which is the holy book, told us frequently use the word regular charity. So charity is best as an ongoing and consistent activities, not just a one-off here and there for special cause. Charity should be part of the very fiber of your personality as a Muslim. In conclusion, I'm going to read few verses from the Quran that talk more about charity. Quran chapter 2 verse 43 says, "Be steadfast in prayer, practice regular charity, and bow down your heads with those who bow down." Also in chapter 2 verse 83 says, "Worship not but Allah, treat with kindness your presents and kindness and orphans and those in need. Speak fair to people, be steadfast in prayer, and practice regular charity." Also in chapter 2 verse 110, "Be steadfast in prayer and regular charity. Whatever good you send forth for your soul before you, you shall find it with Allah. For Allah seek well all that you do." I wouldn't want to take much of our time because I know a couple of people have too many things that they want to go and do and want to go and attend. In conclusion, we, the Al-Mubarak Islamic Foundation, we always reach out to the less privileged. Al-Mubarak has called me one time and he said, "Why don't we go to the hospital to help someone?" And I'm like, "Yeah, we can do that. It's not a big deal." So I can't remember the hospital that he went. Or I can categorically say he went to one hospital and Ọlọ́run bá fọwọ́ tọ́ ọkàn wọn pé ìyọ̀ báyìí ní kí wọ́n ṣàánú. Ẹni tí ó wá ṣàánú gbà yẹn kò ń ṣe àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn wa, àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn kejì ni. So kò di pé torí àwọn ilé ìṣẹ̀sìn ilé ní ṣàánú wọn, àwọn ilé ìṣẹ̀sìn ilé ní ṣàánú wọn. Ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá bù kó bẹ̀lòmíì. So if you're privileged and you have the opportunity to always help, I always use myself as a personal example. I love to give a lot, but sometimes you give people and they take you for, you know, ọmọ pé wà lọ bá ẹni lágbájá pé nǹkan báyìí báyìí ṣe wá, ó máa fún wa lówó, yes, ó máa fún yín lówó, tó bá fún yín lẹ́nu, tó bá fún yín lọ́la, á rò pé mo fún wọn jọ ẹni náà lọ́wọ́ à ń kọ́ ṣe. So I always encourage you to give those that are dearly in need. So as our Islamic foundation, whatever you think or whatever the tọ́lọ́run bá ti sí lọ́kàn pé aṣọ ni o, oúnjẹ ni o, nǹkan tá a fẹ́ máa ṣe ní ìgbàkúgbà ni, like I read in the Quran. Quran made mention of charity should be done regularly. So we need to do charity regularly. Whenever you have a little bit, out of the little you have, you can share. Thanks everyone, appreciate it. Thanks for coming.
Hello sir, before you go sir, hello sir. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ pé Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Gbogbo tí bàbá wa sọ ni pé ká mọ̀ ṣàánú ẹni tí ò ní. Ohun tí ń jẹ wáyà ní ìṣẹ̀lómìn ní kò fẹ́ kẹ́lómìn ní. Gbogbo tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí látẹ̀kan yẹn. Wọ́n ní àfọwọ́ Al-Mubarak àmọ́yé hospital ni wọ́n ń lọ. Tí ẹ pé wọ́n ń ṣàánú, ẹni tí wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ṣàánú kì í ṣe Mùsùlùmí. Ìkan sojú mi, àwa ní mọ́sálásí kan akíjímọ̀, nígbà akíjímọ̀, ọba náà táǹpù omi àwọn ti bàjẹ́. Akọjá bẹ̀ kírun ni o, ọba fún 100,000. Bàbá ẹ wá bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ agbọ́yé, a sì swadu Fatiha fún yín, ẹ̀yẹn tẹ́wọ́ báyìí. Gbogbo ẹja ṣe Fatiha lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ní bàbá wa Ìmọ́tọ́lá. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim. Bàbá ẹ ní ṣubú láíláí. Tẹ́ bá fún lówó Fatiha ẹ̀ ń gbà, bàbá ó sì ń gbà. A lọ síbi yìí tó kù ní ìsìn, a fẹ́ bá àsìkò jẹ́, torí a ní àwọn nǹkan tó pọ̀ láti ṣe. Thank you very much sir.